Hi class. So many of you guys had questions on how to do your foldables for your autobiography. So this video is to show you guys a little bit more about my expectations, right? So you're gonna have a title page, and mine is titled Miss M, The Brief Wondrous Life, right? So it's very brief. On my first flap here, I have my first story. This is the story I told you guys in class, and the title for that is Learning to See, because for the first time ever, I was able to see clearly, and you guys know a little bit more about what happened there. In the second flap, I have the story about how I learned my name isn't really Lupita, it's Nere or Nereida, right? So I have my story there. And for both of these stories, I have an illustration, right? So here I have kindergarten Nere, and here I have a finger pointing. And on this story, I, was going to write it, but then I ran out of time. So, because I'm grading stuff, so don't get the story there, but I've graduated 3 times now, so that's fun. Here I have a shortened version of a story, right? So you guys would write the entire thing. I just wrote, what is that, a sentence, but you would write the entire paragraph. So this one's A lo Cubano, and it is a story about how I studied abroad, and here I have an illustration, right? So you would write all 4 stories, a paragraph for each, and an illustration for each as well. And then, so that's the inside and the front of the foldable. In the back of the foldable, you have about the author, right? And this is the same about me that I shared with you guys. And if I open it, right, so the paper is facing the front of the paper, I have 1, 2, 3 stories in the front. And then if I flip the paper over so I see the back of the paper, I have my 4th story on the first side here, the what is this, the left side. In the middle, I have about the author, so it ends up being the back side when I close my foldable like this. And on the side, on the right side, I have Miss Montes' The Brief Wondrous Life. So that's how you do this foldable. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. And I do apologize for my dirty hands and my smeared foldable. My pen exploded when I was making this, so this is the best I could do. Again, if you have any questions, please just let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in class tomorrow.